Hey, what's up guys? It's Sean or Mustang 09 and I got Chase here with me, and today, as you can tell, there's no Mustang in the garage. That's because it's about to get on jack stands and we're starting the turbo build. I'm really excited, somewhat nervous. Chase has confidence in everything, so I'm feeding off of that confidence right now, and we're gonna do the last NA startup on the Mustang. We're gonna pull it in the garage, get it on jack stands, and the teardown begins. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but it says return to stock. We're gonna go ahead and hit select on that. And to continue, putting it back to stock. Womp womp womp. The ECM is now stock. Select to continue. Oh no, it's not cool anymore. Womp womp. Oh, you're blurry. There you go.
That's all sad.
But on the good side, while that was happening, we did get everything jacked up. I will say, that new jack is amazing. Chase loves it.
Yeah, I'm stealing it.
Big fan, big fan. Now we're taking the hood off.
Getting serious.
It's getting real, it's getting real. I'm gonna keep saying that it's getting real because...
Wait, let me take this from you, do the honors, and take that engine cover off.
Oh, they're gonna see the nitrous lines.
Oh, don't show them that. That was a secret.
Just kidding.
Wow. That's a stock motor.
Bone stock.
Not for long.
Not for long.
Not for long.
Another thing that I did that I forgot to tell you guys about is I have a GoPro up there that is doing a time lapse. So we should have a time lapse of the whole build. Fingers crossed that thing doesn't glitch out. It's an older one. It's a Hero 4, so come on, GoPro, pull through for us, pull through for us. I'm gonna set you guys down real quick because I gotta help Chase. We're taking this hood off and it's going over here. Yeah, ready? Hood's off. And we totally faked that scene because we did it without filming it, so. Oh.
The JLC.
Things are happening fast. Don't say stuff like that when I'm recording.
What?
I'm selling the
I didn't
JLT.
say anything.
I'm selling it. Intake, colder intake's out, battery's out, hood's off obviously, but we're moving right along. It's weird. I feel like a real YouTuber now. We're doing
YouTube things?
We're doing YouTube. We're doing real car stuff. Real car stuff. Let's just hope we don't screw it up. Shop dog, say hi, Rex. Good boy. Alrighty, next big step in the process is to remove this guy. Bumper. I feel like there's more to it.
Yeah, he said up and out.
It's not coming up here.
There you go. That's cool. And then we'll get the fog lights.
Oh, yep. Ha! We got that joker off of there, finally. Thank goodness. The trick was these plugs here, so you had to push. This sits in there like that, and then this little clip here, push that down with that pick, and then it slid right out. Super easy, so. Anyways, that's how it's out. Bumper's off. We need a carbon feed brake one.
Yeah, dude, this is heavy.
Lightweight.
Carbon feed brake.
All right, that one's out.
Last bit of the NA oil.
Yeah, the last NA oil. Everything's the last NA.
Ready?
We need to make sure it's not gonna come out immediately.
Don't make a mess, Chase.
Bingo. Look at that, it's still good.
Dude, we just pour this back in when we're done.
Hell no. It's not bad looking though. See if we can get a...
Look at that laminar flow for all you engineering majors out there.
Oh, that's a perfect shot of that oil. They can see. It still looks pretty decent.
Yeah.
It's definitely time to change it though.
Oh yeah.
All the passes we made.
Oh, for sure. That's definitely a good 40-50 pass oil.
easy. It doesn't look milky. It doesn't look anything crazy.
No, it's
Nor
gorgeous.
should it, because it's a NA Motors. There's the last NA oil change. Oh my gosh. I like everything's gonna be the last NA everything.
Hashtag
Yeah, we should make some last NA shirts.
for sure.
And everybody be like, yeah, last NA. Would you buy them? Last NA shirts.
For sure.
What's last nah, dog?
Yeah, some old lady walking by you. What's last nah? Woman, you don't know what last nah is? Come on.
Get your life right, okay? All right, we're gonna let that drain, and then I have to go to a birthday party, and then Chase is gonna take a nap and eat lunch, and then we'll return for more work. We got the shop pup helping us out. Oh, go get it. Get it.
Get that tail.
Can you chase it? Come on. Oh, hi. Hi, Rex. This is Rex, for those that don't know. He's my dog. We rescued him. He's crazy. He chases his tail all the time. But he's like a Dalmatian pit mix. He's super cool. Good boy. We got the radiator draining out with all the coolant there. You can see where Chase is. We've ripped all the exhaust off, except the manifolds, and the mufflers are still on. There's a lot of plastic pieces in the way that you got to take off to get to the actual components that you need out of the way. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I never told you. Today we're working on the oil pump gears and the crank sprocket. So one of the bigger jobs, which Trey is now here. So thank you, Trey, for coming. Here we go, we're getting into it. Current process, we have pull packs out now. What are you working on, Trey?
I just unplugged these injectors.
Unplugging the injectors so that, oh yeah, because we have to replace those with our ID 1000s. Radiator's gonna come out. Still leaking just a little bit of coolant. All right, I'm ready when you are, Freddie. Oh, look at those big guys right there. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Little guys?
Yeah, little guys.
Itty bitty little guys.
Itty bitty.
They're actually not little.
Yeah,
No
I think you
E.
can. Yeah, in future we'll be running E.
That's coming.
Did I miss one?
No, you're coming. It's just that crap holding it on there.
That, you gotta pop it off with your fingers.
What do you mean? Oh, inside? They're holding it on.
Little rubber pieces holding that on.
Yeah.
There it goes. A little oomph on this side.
There we go.
There we go.
Trey, will you pull that back for me?
Let's see some cams.
Oh yeah, there's
Oh, there goes your gasket.
Good thing I got a new one. Nice. VTech, yo. DOHC game. Easy, don't throw it too hard.
It's useless now.
He was about to frisbee it. Yes!
No, I was gonna set it up here, but then I was like, no, I won't set it
You
up
pulled it
here.
out with anger. I was like, it's gone.
No,
We don't need it where we're going.
I'm pretty calm, man. I don't usually start throwing shit.
Yeah.
Takes quite a bit to make me throw.
Takes a 10 mil in the oil pan.
Yeah.
Not even that made you do it.
Nah, that just sucked. That's just like, that's just
There goes the AC.
oh, hey.
The radiator was really the only thing holding that in.
You need some zip ties? Good, good. All good. Radiator's out.
We're gonna move it out of the way in a minute anyway.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell these guys. We also picked up at ATI the damper, the balancer. Oh well, you get the idea. It's in here somewhere. And with that, we did the ARP. So this oil pump gears, which are over here. We have the Boundary brand oil pump gears. If you didn't see the parts video, these are serialized, so they're made together and packaged together, like they're tested and everything, so that's nice. And then the Boundary crank sprocket right there, so those are what we're doing right now. Looks like everything's cleared out of the front, so now it's time to, well, actually we have 2 bolts on the oil pan that are down there we got to take off that attach to the cover, and then it's time for all of these to come off. This goes to my V-twin Harley.
Looks like it could.
We're running out of space.
Yeah, I know.
I thought I had a big garage.
Yeah, get a bigger garage.
Covers off, so now it's time for chains. We gotta mark those.
They get in
I
time.
need to find out if we put it, try to put it in the crank or it's
Yes.
going to go up to the 12 o'clock.
Yes, we do. We need to do that.
Do that.
The lucky thing is we've been following a pretty good write-up from SVT Performance. I'll link that down in the description below. So if you guys are doing oil pump gears, use that. It's super helpful. So shout out to the guy who ever made that.
All right, this is where things get serious. We've marked the chains at the top on both sides, and we were marking them on the crank sprocket, but that doesn't really work because we're replacing the chain sprocket with obviously the boundary, the billet one. So is what it is. We found a way to mark it that we think will work, but for now we're pulling these guys off. Temporary home for them. Uh-oh, Chase is taking one off. Ooh, ooh. You think that'll go on my mountain bike?
For sure, dog.
Except I don't have a mountain bike. All right, chain one is off. 2 fingers. Lightly. Impact in his hand, handing it to Trey.
I didn't want to break it. The last time I with a tensioner.
Yeah, that's right. You don't mess with.
Yes.
Don't touch this tensioner.
Exactly.
Guy.
That's what I'm saying.
We know what you do with tensioners. you get them to go and then you.
Hey, but
release
the
them.
scary thing is that the front of this oil pan's open just like yours was. So
But yours is coming off anyway.
I'm gonna put a piece of cardboard over it so 10 mils don't fly in there.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's not even.
Chase is like very funny, very funny.
Very funny.
Second chain coming off.
That's the best oil pressure you're gonna get with a $60 pump.
Yeah, no joke.
I don't like how casual he is with that chain. He's just... Chase,
What, me?
Yeah, you're just so comfortable. You're like, here's a chain.
Hey, look.
I'd be like
Damn,
2
dude.
hands, lay it down.
I mean, you know well, look what it has to go through. If it
I know,
break-
no,
if it
I
breaks
get
from
it.
me
No, I
pulling
get
off,
it.
it ain't gonna make it.
That's experience is what you got experience. I don't.
You ready for this?
Oh, hold on. Let me
Man, oh
let
my
me
gosh.
slow mo that.
I want to see that showing computer again when I was doing that.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's so funny.
Last stud, impact,
Last stud.
ready for come off.
Always.
What are you gonna do?
I'm coming. Ready?
Easy. This is a PG channel.
PG channel.
Hadn't been so far.
And
Woo,
kadoosh. There she blows, boys.
Oh, dude, it looks so awesome.
All over Chase's back. Here you go.
I need a bucket.
The thing's over there. The thing's over there by the ladder.
Nice.
Golly, that was a.
That's awesome. Yeah, I just break them.
But I see why.
I'd break them and then you come back with the impact. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. There they are. They weren't joking, dude. Them things are. You can tell the wear marks on them.
These have survived two-step life, though. I mean, we've two-stepped the hell out of these things.
Yeah. They don't look bad, though. They really don't.
No, they don't look bad. They say it's an internet myth, but I don't know.
That's what I've always heard.
I've heard it's a myth. Hey, we've already got it out, so we're replacing them, boys.
It's good insurance, right?
These really
Cheap
pique my
too.
insurance,
$100.
my engineering mind. Lube on the outside. And lube the inside of this. You gotta think that sucker brand new. Yeah, there.
I was just doing it it was at an angle because this was in.
Right there. There you go.
Boom, Felicia.
That's good.
Goose.
Is that it?
Yep.
Oh,
That's all the holes oil pump.
you got them all on there?
You, bud.
Sweet.
Unless you want to torque.
Am I supposed to pull you out now, or what are you?
Yeah.
I just see hands.
I don't see a beard.
Oh, yeah, okay, guy. Just pulled all the plugs out, and you can kind of see they all look very, very similar. The only weird thing is this is the passenger side, and those came out super easy. Like these ones I did have to break loose, but these ones seemed like they were already broken loose. It was wild. But yeah, so there's the spark plugs. Nothing crazy going on with those. So I have to go colder, so these have to come out. So this is the timing chain tensioner.
You compress it till it stops.
Compress it till it
If it
stops.
stops, don't put a bunch of pressure on it.
And then there's a little hole,
Take a pick.
and that ratchets down that little piece over there.
Right here, where this one's gonna go, that's an oil valve. It's gonna have oil pumping through it, and on that little piston, there's a hole right there. And there's constant oil pumping out of it. I think there's a hole somewhere right here where it's constantly pumping oil
That goes down.
Bingo.
through that piston on the chain. Of course, oil's
Right here.
flying through here anyway.
Then you
Yeah,
take a tiny bit,
Small drill bit. You can just
But when we
shove
were
it in this back
compressing
hole.
the device, there was squirt
the smooth side in, and then you release and it's compressed. Easy.
Now you can get it in there, I promise.
mark date and time.
Yep. On the bottom side, yeah.
We're good up here.
That's probably my phone.
Dinner time.
Medication time. Please hit stop.
Now that explains a lot.
Hey. Watch it.
Push her in.
Then you release and slowly let it apply tension.
Make sure it's in the rail.
And then we have to turn the motor over 3-4
Yeah,
times.
Somebody hit stop on my thing.
And we already
then
took the spark plugs out. That
I'll
way we can
sit
see if
here.
there's any interference when we turn the motor over.
There's one. There's 2. 3. 4. I'm almost there. Oh, we're good.
Yeah, it's totally
Sweet,
good.
nothing was binding. So
Alrighty guys, it is getting late. It's like 11:15 or 11:30, and I know to a lot of people that's not super late, but it's Saturday night. We got church in the morning. So we wrapped up, everybody went home. We have pretty much everything bolted back up on the front cover. There was a thing that we ran into with the water pump. It looks like there's a leak on the front, right there where that freeze plug is. So I'm gonna pick a new one of those up tomorrow, and then also the tube for the, what do you call it, the dipstick tube. It's broken, like it came off this thing right here. Yeah, my hand's slipping, but this broke, so I gotta replace that. It's like a $10 part. And then I need to grab spark plugs, and what else was there? Oh, and I think I'm gonna use the Ford slave cylinder instead of the McLeod one. So a lot of guys were recommending me just use OEM, so I think I'm gonna swap those out and replace that. But yeah, lots of great progress today. The garage is a complete mess, like it's nuts in here. But all new gaskets on everything. It all sealed up just fine, so we think. Got it in timing. That wasn't too terribly hard. You know, just very appreciative of everybody's help. Trey and Chase and Joey. It was great to have those guys over hanging out and lending a hand. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna do it. Thank you so much for watching. The next video you'll see us do, it'll be buttoning this stuff up, tackling the clutch, and yeah, so that should be a fun one. But we'll catch you guys back here next time. Take it easy. Peace.